Did you know there are about 500,000 Jarai people in the world? Most of us live in Vietnam's Central Highlands, especially around Pleiku, Kon Tum, and Dak Lak regions. Around 26,000 live in Cambodia, a few thousand live in the US, and the rest of us are spread across the world. I hope that gives you a better picture of our community. Hello, Kokokai. I'm Lop Siu, a Montagnard from the Jarai tribe. On this channel, I share everything about the Montagnard people, our history, cultures, languages, and more. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button so you don't miss out. Okay, let's jump into today's lesson, the Jarai alphabet. Of course, you are familiar with the English alphabet, which has 26 letters. But guess how many letters are there in the Jarai alphabet? If you said 40, you are absolutely right. Nice job. Yes, the Jarai alphabet has 40 letters. There are 10 vowels, including 9 short vowels and 10 long vowels. And there are 21 consonants. That's quite a few letters to learn, but don't worry, we will go step by step in future videos. Now let's go through all 40 letters together. I'll show you both the uppercase and lowercase versions so you can see the differences. I'll read each letter twice so you can practice with me. Here we go. A, 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 B, 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 Ch, Ch, D, 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 E, 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 A, 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 G, G, H, H, E, 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 J, 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 K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, Ñ, Ñ, Ng, Ng, O, 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 P, P, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, 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 W, W, Y, Y. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you're curious about how the Jarai alphabet was created, check out the next video where I talk about its fascinating story. Thank you. Buniga.